Hi everyone, in front of me I've got HUAWEI Nova 13 Pro, and let me share with you how to reset all settings on this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll down to the very bottom to find System and Updates. Then let's tap on this Reset option, and at the top you've got this option Reset All Settings. Here your device is informing you what it will actually reset, so network settings, fingerprints, face data, and lock screen password. So if you're ready for that, simply tap on Reset All Settings. Of course you have to confirm everything with your screen lock. Here we've got the information that probably your device may need to be restarted, and this action cannot be undone. So if you're ready, just tap on Reset All Settings and simply wait until your device will finish everything. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.